Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to another episode of Music Breakdown or Music Reaction with Justin Blocker and Charlie Kiss Daniel, the hitmaker of Booga. Kiss Daniel is out with a brand new track. Yes, this one is titled Cough. Cough. Yes, sorry for that, but that's the title of the song, Cough. And Charlie, I don't know if this one is gonna be big like Booga. Yes, well, let's check it out. So, Charlie, without wasting your time, let's go check Cough out by Kiss Daniel. So let's go, okay? Yes. That's the title of the song, Cough. Let me take it back. Okay, let's go. Cough.
All right, go.
Yes, were you also expecting this? Because Charlie, this Kiss Daniel is that me, I was expecting this. Yes, you see the beat, the way the beat came, like bro. Okay, let's go. That's three Ghanaian language. Okay.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a man. I want to impress.
This is dope, man. This is dope. This is typical Kiss Daniel. This is Kiss Daniel. See the way he started with, yes, man. Let me take it.
And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
Charlie, Omo. Let me take this thing back. I'm feeling the vibe, man. Okay, let's go. All right, Kiss Daniel, Cough. Let's do this.
All right, go.
Okay. All right. I'm sure this is gonna be a hit. Please, you let me know if this is up to the standard of Booga. Is this song going to hit? Let me know. Like, put it in the comment section. Is this going to hit like Booga? Is it yes or no? Let's go. Okay. Odoyewu is a Ghanaian language. It's a love language, man.
I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a woman. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
I said to me, this a potential hit, man. If it gets the right promotion, like bro, like the way Booga did, Charlie, it's good to go, man. It's a Christmas banger. We are gonna bang to this one, man. This is my official Christmas banger.
My body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem.
Loving you, they make me the forget, say I got problem. Loving you, they make I forget, say I got problem. Let me take that part back.
My body calling and your body picking. Loving you, they make me forget, say I get problem. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up. I want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a woman. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.
This song go fit capture anybody. You go fit capture president. You go fit capture minister. You go fit capture pastor. Like the way Kiss Daniel is. Like even Reverend sisters now they dance to Kiss Daniel. The president of Liberia, he dance to Kiss Daniel Buga. When a president, when a vice president of Ghana recently celebrated his birthday, and Charlie, he was bugaing everywhere. But this is just it's like, bro, this song too go fit capture anybody. Abuba. And it's a love song too. Like Charlie, they go fit the player for wedding and that kind of vibe. Okay, so let's go.
Who the f is your bestie? Danny bro. You don't want to
Who the F is your best man?
find my trouble. Enter bathroom, pressure. She na me you come through when your heartbreak, pushing she heartbreak. Na me the bite in when your man enter bathroom, pressure. I want to flex my love, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. I'm a woman, and I want to carry.
If you don't know how to dance, make you learn. Abuba. They give you sick dance moves, man. Please don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button if this is your first time visiting here. And if this is not your first time, please don't be going and be coming and be going and be coming. Just hit the subscribe button and you open or you on the notification bell anytime we drop a video. So you got it, okay?
My love away to a place she loves. By the end of the night, enter bathroom, fresh up.
I want to flex. So that's it, Kiss Daniel Love. Charlie is out everywhere. You can check it out. And please don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to like it, okay? And hit the subscribe button. I love you guys. I want to flex with you guys, man. I want to flex with you guys.